Once upon a time, in the heart of the African savannah, there lived a majestic lion named Leo. Leo was not just any lion, he was the king of the jungle, respected and feared by all creatures big and small. His golden mane glistened under the warm African sun, and his roar could be heard echoing across the vast plains. One day, while Leo was peacefully lounging in the shade of a baobab tree, he heard the distant sound of footsteps. Curious, he lifted his head and scanned the horizon. To his surprise, he spotted a group of hunters making their way through the tall grasses, their spears glinting in the sunlight. Leo knew that where there were hunters, danger lurked not only for him but for all the animals of the jungle. Determined to protect his kingdom, Leo rose to his feet and set out to confront the intruders. Meanwhile, deep in the heart of the jungle, a group of curious young animals gathered around their wise elder, Rafiki the baboon. They had heard rumors of the hunters' arrival and were eager to learn more. "Tell us, Rafiki," one of the younger animals asked, "what should we do about the hunters?" Rafiki stroked his long, gray beard thoughtfully before replying, "We must warn all the creatures of the jungle and unite to face this threat together. Alone, we are vulnerable, but together, we are strong." Inspired by Rafiki's words, the young animals set out to spread the message of unity throughout the jungle. From the treetops to the riverbanks, they warned their fellow creatures of the impending danger and urged them to stand together against the hunters. Back on the plains, Leo confronted the hunters, his mighty roar sending shivers down their spines. But despite his intimidating presence, the hunters refused to back down, brandishing their weapons defiantly. Leo knew that he could not defeat the hunters alone. Remembering Rafiki's words, he called out to the other animals of the jungle for help. From all corners of the savannah, animals of every shape and size answered Leo's call. Elephants, giraffes, zebras, and even tiny insects joined forces, standing shoulder to shoulder with the mighty lion. Together, they devised a plan to outsmart the hunters and protect their home. While Leo and the larger animals distracted the hunters, the smaller creatures worked together to sabotage their traps and weapons. As the sun began to set on the horizon, the hunters realized that they were no match for the united strength of the jungle. With a defeated sigh, they turned and fled, vowing never to return. Victory belongs to the animals of the jungle, thanks to their courage, unity, and unwavering determination to protect their home. From that day forward, they lived in harmony, knowing that as long as they stood together, no threat could ever divide them. And as for Leo, he returned to his rightful place as the king of the jungle, his mane shining even brighter than before, a symbol of the strength and unity of all who called the African savannah home.